Hi guys, Alexis Stone here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel! No. I guess we could do it like Jeffree. Why not? Let's see what it says in the palette, since it's opening line. One. Hi, how are ya? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just kidding. That was terrible. Why was it so animated? One. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you can tell by the mirror that I'm using, we are going over the iconic, the legend herself, himself, herself, whatever you want to call her. She is Jeffree. We just know her as Mother. We're going over the Jeffree Star X Morphe collaboration volume 2. So excited. And I heard that this smells exactly like strawberries. It does smell like strawberries. So good. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, do you want to know if it was a flop? Did it kill? Was there problems? Did I have to use a different palette and substitute for something? Then you better just keep on watching, because if you want to know the real tea, then I'm here to spill it. That's bitchy. I like that.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I picked up the entire collection. Yes, I did spend my own hard-earned money on this collection. So I got the brushes, the setting spray, and the palette. Oh my god, like, cue the because...
Bitch, there we go.
Hi, how are ya? Also available on MorpheCosmetics.com or MorpheBrushes.com. You can use Afterpay, and that's what I use to get this entire collection, because, bitch, without it, I wouldn't be able to afford it. Hi! How are ya? Okay, guys, sorry, wig change. We love a good sheer moment. Oh, snap out of it! Anyways, so basically we are going to go in on these brushes. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. You guys know I lived for the first moment of the Jeffree Star X Morphe collab number 1. This is like my favorite foundation brush through and through, hands down to date. I use the hell out of it. As you can tell, it's a little used. It's been loved a little bit. Okay, so it looks like you get 10 brushes. I started doing makeup about eight and a half years ago. I started doing makeup about 8.5 years ago is when I found makeup. And my first ever makeup brush set was a $7 set that I got off of Amazon. And it was like $7 for like 22 pieces. And it was the cheapest thing you could ever even think of. And basically they were pink. And this is giving me like my nostalgic like throwback. Like now my professional ones are pink. So it's like my first starter ones were pink, and now my professional ones are pink, and I just live for it. Here is the tea. You're going to make them stop and stare with the eye brush collection from the legendary Jeffree Star. Everyone will be watching you and your perfectly blended eyes. Get to it. This collection includes the JS5, the Crease Queen brush, the Rule Blender brush, the Double Trouble brush, the Drama Crease brush, the Fluffer Crease brush, Diva Crease brush, Blunt Packer brush, Sport Mode Blender brush, Palm Crease brush, Happy Ending Liner brush, and the Superstar bag. Yes. Okay, I'm living for this moment. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but he released another collab with Morphe, the Volume 1, and I have that bag too. I don't know where it's at the moment, but I like this one better. It's a little bit nicer. Okay, so let's just open it and just see these pink brushes. Oh my god. These look even better in person. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I love Morphe's brushes. They are amazing. And now that Jeffree has his own, like, 10 brushes with Morphe, I'm like, yes, God. My heart is like, boop, 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 because I'm just living for it. Like, living. Okay, let's go ahead and take these out. So we're going to be using every single brush today, honey, because we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty and tell you what the tea is. Because just because I love Jeffree and I love Morphe doesn't mean I'm going to love these brushes. These brushes could suck. And you guys will be the first ones to know. So all these little package things, these feel so nice. Like, compared to a Morphe brush, they feel different. I don't know, it's weird. Y'all, sound off down below. Am I tripping? Are these different brushes? Or is this just an M433 disguised in pink? You let me know. Okay, so I am living for this brush right now. This brush is giving me life. And I love the synthetic pink bristles. Love that. And the one I'm most excited for is this one right here. Bam, look at that. Look at how pencil thin that is. Like, I am so excited to do some detail artwork on my face with this brush. I live for this packaging, you guys. If you guys can't tell this, okay, so they're bright bubblegum pink, standard Jeffree, of course. Like, I mean, what do you expect? We expect nothing less from Mother herself. So, then you go up here, and this part of the brush is actually, like, a lilac metallic purple. It's really pretty. I really like it. I really enjoy these a lot, actually. I hope that they perform well, because I like the way they look. Aesthetically, they get a 5. For packaging and looks, the brushes get a 5 across the board. They feel different. Like, they totally feel like they might have been made from different manufacturers. Like, no joke about that. Let's jump into why you're all here. The eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette. This, remove the unicarton. It comes safely bubble wrapped. Oh my god, girl, come through. Oh, yes. And I live for this unicarton. It's so Jeffree. Like, it just screams Jeffree Star. This pink is iconic Jeffree. Like, I expect nothing less. And okay, so you move your bubble wrap. Throw that out the way.
Touch your weed, ladies.
Okay, so we have the Jeffree x Morphe collab. Oh my god, I'm like so excited. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for a Jeffree Star palette to be at Morphe's prices. Like, come through. Also, you know, coming together and making 35 shades. Like, I'm so done. Actually, how many shades are there here? 25. Wait, that's not right. There's 25? There's 25 shades? Am I tripping? I'm tripping. I thought there was 35 shades. Oh, there's absolutely nothing on the back. Live for that. Also, this palette does consist of 3 different formulas, one of which is one shade in the palette, which is this Millions shade, is a pressed pigment. It's a pressed glitter pigment, which I think is new to the makeup game. I don't think anyone else has done that, so props to you, Jeffree. I cannot wait to see how it performs. Usually I fucking hate glitters, so I hope that you can change my mind on that, because, sis, I'm not here for the fallout. I'm gonna go into my, and I'm gonna use my, I'm going in with my, and using my, and I have already primed my lids with the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, because I love that primer. JS5. Going in with the shade My. Ooh, it's pigmented AF. Okay, so I'm going to take my and just kind of flush that through my crease to give myself a transition to build off on with the green. You guys, that is very pigmented and it's very buildable. It's kind of like a nude pink, so I'm not expecting like a huge amount of payoff or like a really large deposit of color or anything like that, because yes, I knew it'd be pigmented, but it's also my skin tone, so it's kind of fading. But I'm using this as a transition shade into green, so that's why I'm doing that. So we're going to go in with Wake and Bake, and we're going to put that right in the middle of that eye. So we're going to take that and put it right in the middle. Like I said, we're going to stick to the whole green theme that we're going to have going. And because of that transition shade, hopefully it brings out that green a little bit more. Still using the same brush, though. Okay, there's the pigment. That's what it's supposed to look like. Alright, I can barely see it on my face on camera. It's not showing up on camera, but it's showing up in person. It's like a really pretty green. And so since we got that one in the inner corner, we're going to take Nate, which is the darker green. We're just showing up totally blue on camera. That's weird. Okay, so we're going to take this on the outer corner and just, like, hit it. And these colors are buildable. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Who's feeling like a leprechaun? Me. I feel like a leprechaun. No, I'm doing this right here. It's fine. Yeah. Please don't be broken, please don't be broken, please don't be broken. Oh my god, okay. False alarm. Whew, you guys, I'm like 8 feet up off the ground, and I swear to god, my palette just fell out of my lap and hit the ground. I was like, good. And luckily, none are broken, so we're good. Thank goodness. hair out of face. Ooh, that was kind of good. Perfect. Okay, now we got our wing going. Our wing going over here. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna build that green and make it way more green. So it's not like too much if you don't want too much, but it's the right amount of if you want that Y'all, I'm snapping. These shadows are really blending really well. And normally I would never use this puke green, but this puke green looks so good on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm bringing that green down. I fell into a burning fire. I don't know if it's quite the green I want it to be at yet, so I'm going to take the green again. And just hit it one more time just to make it a little darker. I'm living for that. Okay, so to cut my crease, we're going to use the J-Star in concealer C0, which is pure white. Shit, this is perfect for cutting a crease and just getting that dramatic moment. So we're going to cut our crease. So a moment of silence, please, while I cut my crease. I hit the inner corner with Welcome. Welcome is like a shimmery white shade, so we're going to just hit the inner corner with that. Bam. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that highlighted the... Okay, and now I think I read online that you're supposed to put this new formula, which is the shade Millions, on with your finger. So I think I'm going to do that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to take our finger, our lucky ducky, our handy dandy, phalange. I'm fired for saying that. Go into Millions, and this is a pressed glitter pigment, guys. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god. Okay, so there's not much glitter fallout. There is a little bit of glitter fallout, which I don't mind because it means it's pigmented. But look at my finger, like, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. It swatches like a pigment. Oh my god, it swatches just like a pigment. Guys, I'm dead. So I'm gonna go in with a lighter hand and just barely rub it. Okay, there we go. Perfect. You take this and go right over that concealer. You be Johnny and I'll be June. Ooh, that's cute. Okay. This is actually a really cute, like, Labor Day type look, like, feeling it. But for the bottom lash line, what are we going to use? I think we should do some pinks. No, we shouldn't, because I think they were literally doing a Cosmo and Wanda look, and I don't want to do that. Y'all, this eye is fucking beautiful. Like, hi. As soon as I saw this palette online, I was like, I have to use that gold glitter. Like, I have to. Let's just bring the green down. Why not? And then this is the completed eye look. Like, what? Okay, I'm going to do the other eye and add some liner and mascara off camera. Okay guys, that concludes today's video. So to just do a little recap, catch up on what we've done, we did a review on the Jeffree Star X Morphe Collaboration Volume 2 palette, the brushes, the setting spray, which smells oh so yummy. All three of these gorgeous, beautiful items are all Savage certified stamp of approval. They're literally so sickening. This smells so damn good. I can't even with this. The Morphe brushes performed so well, and the shades and everything performed really well as well. Basically, they blended really easily, and all of the pigments were very creamy and rich and buttery. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. Check out my website. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.